Many of the hurricanes that are impacting the United States are actually sort of tracking here through the Bahamas and past Cuba. This is Quesal Bank right here. This is where we're headed.
And we're in this area specifically because
it's a submerged bank off the Florida coast. It has some really deep holes in it called blue holes. Well, these blue holes, they accumulate sediment through time that actually provides a record of past hurricanes. All this marine sediment's getting washed in and day out and just accumulating this in this beautiful pile.
That's just perfectly collecting sediment over time.
Right, so it's really well positioned to be sort of our weather station, monitoring the hurricanes that have impacted North America, going back hundreds and hundreds of years and even millennia.
It's fascinating to learn that these underwater caves, called blue holes, actually contain the history of hurricanes. To reveal that history, Jeff explains that he drills long tubes into the sea floor.
I'm gonna lift it up and you're gonna put a cap on it, fast as you can.
Pulling up layers of mud.
All right, let's get it up on the deck.
Revealing the core sample inside. It's those strata that hold ancient clues about our future.
Hurricanes are often related to sea surface temperatures. And so one of the concerns is that with the planet warming so much, we might see hurricanes getting much more intense.
in increase in frequency or in intensity, or both.
We're sort of wrestling with that. It's those, Cat 3, Cat 4, Cat 5 hurricanes that our computer models suggest will actually increase with global warming.
So the data that you could be collecting here could tell us that we are heading into a new age of superstorms, basically.
We can basically have a climate experiment that's run over millennium, telling us when you get warm sea surface temperatures, you should get many more very intense hurricanes.
I like that, nature's climate experiment.
That's right.
So the short answer is yes.
Yeah.
Wow, that's Cuba.
The blue hole we're going to look at is right there.
Has anyone ever done this work before?
No, I mean, this is really hard to do. We're out in the middle of the ocean going into an area that's quite shallow, so you can't get a really large oceanographic ship in here. But yet when you get there, you have to core down 300 feet, so you need some significant pieces of equipment to do that. It's a really challenging place to work. If the weather doesn't cooperate, if a piece of equipment breaks, somebody gets hurt, it's possible that we could walk away with nothing.
I can't believe I'm on this groundbreaking mission to explore a blue hole. We're going to look into the past to discover the future of hurricanes that could someday make landfall.